how to hard reset or Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Connect your phone with your PC or computer, then volume down and power, and volume up and power. So let's try volume down and power. And once your phone is turning off, then volume up and power. Keep pressing. You have to wait at least 20 or 30 seconds for this process, so be patient and don't release your hand from your volume up and power button. Keep pressing. It's almost 25 seconds gone, so I'm not releasing my hand. Oh, is it really working or not? Keep pressing and release your hand from your power button and volume. Then here you can see the option. Now go the factory reset, then press on this button. Now press on factory data reset, press on this button. Now your data wipe is complete. Now system reboot. If you want to reboot system, you can also do it. Now press on reboot system now. Now wait a couple of seconds and release your cable from your phone. Now your phone will be turned on. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day if video helpful.